Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 2 ingredients to make this healthy drink. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds to Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Add half teaspoon of sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds has a lot of health benefits such as it is rich in antioxidants, lowers blood pressure, has anti-cancer properties, promotes healthy hair and skin, aids to blood sugar control, relieves arthritis pain and lowers cholesterol levels. These black sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, B vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds. Then add 2 cloves. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and helps to reduce inflammation. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Now a healthy drink to lower blood pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this healthy drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.